Hello and yeah, welcome back to Matplotlib and welcome back to Python with another part of Matplotlib obviously. And yeah, today we are looking at 3D plots finally heading, or what means finally heading. We already head into more advanced territory, but yeah, now it will get even more complex, but yeah. If you got the last videos pretty good, this shouldn't be a problem either. And yeah, you can do much more complex stuff with Matplotlib. Stuff that will blow your mind. So yeah, we are starting pretty simple, pretty easy. And yeah, function we need is plt point figure without any arguments. Yeah, figure can be pretty anything. Figure is, by the way, a function. As I first saw it, I thought it was an object or a class, but no, it's a function. Because in this way we are kind of working more with a figure. What happens if we already press on plt point show? Nothing, because there aren't any axes. So let's create axes, because we need a three-dimensional coordinate system. So yeah, x equals plt point axis and projection equals, and now we need a string as an argument, which is just 3D, kind of a magic keyword. And here we go. Now I got a figure. I got a three-dimensional coordinate system, which shows us coordinates from 0 to 1.0 in 0.2 steps. And yeah, kind of cool. We can spin it a little bit if we are bored, but yeah, that's not what our goal is for today. Even it is much fun if you're really bored. So if we wanna plot or add for example a linear function or just a graph, we use x, as we use our object we created here, and say x point plot, and then 3D. Now we need not 2 but 3 arrays, and p point array 1, 2, and p point array 3, 2, and p point array 1, 3. Now let's see what happens. I guess I made too much brackets. Oh no, I forgot one here. And here is, and this is not a numPoint array. NumPoint, I mean NumPy array. And here a bracket is missing. Okay, don't look at the mess I created here, just ignore it. And this should do it. Let's try it out. Here we get our first graph, our first two-dimensional graph. Pretty simple, but this is just the beginning. Kind of obvious. We can can create a new dot, which is which we can link like that. And if we kind of want to create an Eldritch abomination, we can use np.random.rand. Let's do 10. Here we go. Not Eldritch enough. Let's look at more Eldritch. Here we go, that's what I wanted to see. This is an Eldritch abomination. Can even, like always, I don't know if I need to tell you, but we can choose our color. We can do it in green. And the same should work for scatter. Let's do scatter. So now we created three-dimensional dots here. And yeah, where am I? Ah, here we go. Yeah. No, I mean that. Oh, sorry. 1 second. Yeah. We can do the same for scatter. And yeah, this is, I wanted to start pretty simple because next time we create our own surface. So yeah, we are getting we are getting even 3-dimensional in case of our plot. And for that, I wish you a wonderful evening, dinner time, night time, whatever time it is in your country. And yeah, next video will be a little bit more confusing. It's a long time since I did that, or not a long time, but I need to, kind of rethink it for myself. Yeah. But enough for today. See you in the next video. Bye bye. And I guess I don't got any outtakes today. Bye bye.